Welcome to Skincare TV. Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask. Number 1. Clean Pro Ease. Number 2. Mud Mask. Number 3. Nourishing Skin. Bioaqua Skincare Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask. It use this product, then 1. Clean skin, no residue. 2. Carbonated bubble. 3. Shiny hydrating. 4. Brighten skin. Item specifics. Brand name, Bioaqua. Item type, treatment and mask. Type, washable mask. Feature, acne treatment, anti-aging, moisturizing. Oil control, pigmentation corrector, whitening. Ingredient, charcoal powder, green tea extract, aloe vera extract, matcha powder. Region of manufacture, China. Net weight, 100 grams. Skin type, all skin types. Use, whole face. Shelf life, 3 years. Bioaqua Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask, 7,245 orders. Average star rating, 4.9 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Payment methods. We support the following payment methods. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here.